Very good morning to all my students. Today I, Tarun sir, your English teacher, is going to describe a very interesting poem included in grade 10 CBSE board. It is in the name of How to Tell Wild Animals. I know this title is a bit confusing and even grammatically incorrect. But titles are like this only. I am there to explain you that what is the title actually talking about. The title has been written by Caroline Wells. She is actually trying to say that how would you describe wild animals after identifying them. And the second biggest question in this poem is how would you identify the names of the wild animals. In case if we see a tiger, so how would you identify that the tiger is a Bengal tiger? If you see a lion, how would you identify that it is an Asian lion? So this is how, like, stepwise she has discussed about wild animals. Come on, let's start talking about the list of these wild animals. Number one, she has described the Asian lion. Number two, she has discussed about the Bengal tiger. Number three, she has discussed about the leopard. Four, crocodile. Fifth, hyenas. Sixth, lizard, chameleons, and a wild bear. So in this poem you will also come to know that how come you would be in a position to differentiate between tiger and a lion, between a chameleon and a lizard, between a crocodile and a hyena. I'll tell you. Let's start. She says that in the beginning, in case if someone is there in the jungles of the east, then one can identify easily an Asian lion. Why? Because Asian lion is found in the jungles in the east. Asian lion has tawny skin and only a roar can kill a human being. I'm getting a bit sarcastic. Why only a roar? Because that creates immense fear in the minds and hearts of human beings. So in case if the roar is so high that you have goosebumps and you're really scared, then come to know, you can identify that yes, an Asian lion is nearby. Second, Caroline Wells, she talks about the Bengal tiger. Here Bengal tiger, why a cricketer, I'm just giving you a practical example, why a cricketer Sourav Ganguly is known as Bengal tiger. Reason why? Because he belongs to the family of Maharajas, royalty. So here Bengal tiger is a symbol of royalty. That means a royal animal. But how would you identify it? Black striped body, and in case if it tears its prey apart, Prey. If you see the Bengal tiger tearing its prey apart, then you can identify that it is a Bengal tiger. The third description of the wild animal is about a leopard. Caroline Wells says that black spotted body, stamina full animal, it will keep on eating its prey, and in case if someone asks for forgiveness, sorry to say, the leopard will never forgive its prey. Then Caroline Wells has described the difference between two wild animals, that is crocodile and hyenas. Come on, let's discuss some amazing facts. Crocodile cries before catching its prey. Hyenas, they smile before catching their prey. This is just an amazing fact. So a crocodile is considered to be a clever and cunning wild reptile. You will never even come to know that how secretly it hides itself deep in the slough only with wide eyes open. And One more amazing fact of crocodile is that noise frightens crocodile. Come on, let's talk about hyenas. Hyenas will not only tear your body, but they will also eat each and every entire piece of your body, even the bones. They are so dangerous. You might have watched the movie The Lion King. You can see that how they feed upon their prey. Now let's talk about the wild bear. In case if this wild bear is walking in your yard, then you can identify that yes, it's a wild bear. Don't mess with the wild bear, because it will hug you and take out your juice. Such a strong grip. You would be in a position to identify, yes, this is a wild bear. Last description of lizard and chameleon, where Carolyn Wells says that chameleon does not have ears and wings like the lizard. Chameleon changes its color. How would you identify that whether I have seen or someone else has seen a chameleon? A chameleon sits on a tree, on the branch of a tree, and changes its color to brown. Then you will come to know that yes, the changing color animal is chameleon. So such poems actually do not have a moral, but it is just to create an interest in the minds of the readers. Why? Because we love to watch all this. This is the reason Discovery and National Geographic channel, these channels are so popular. So you get a question from this poem in the form of either extract based question or 2 marks question or even a lengthy question. Lengthy question consists of 8 marks, so you'll have to write the entire description of the wild animals. You can log into my channel in the name of Desire Career Point by Tarun sir. I will keep posting the summary of other poems and chapters also. Thank you so much.